Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook sauteed blood clam. And then, these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, chili flakes, water, oyster sauce, shrimp cubes, soy sauce, garlic, chilies, white onions, bell pepper, and then butter, and then the blood clam. I'm putting butter, and then saute the garlic, and then the onions, and then the chilies, and then this one, the spring onions. It smells good. And then guys, the blood clam or litog. Then we're gonna add soy sauce, black pepper, a little salt, a pinch of salt, and then chili flakes, optional. Okay. And then, water guys. And then guys, we're gonna add the shrimp cubes. Okay. And we are going to simmer for how many minutes? And we'll be right back. Now, I'm gonna add the oyster sauce. Oh, it's super yummy na kayo. It's very tasty already. And then, I have no Sprite, so I just add Coke, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. And then, simmer again. Because you know, the litog or the blood clam is very hard. Okay guys, our sauteed blood clam is done. Okay, I'm going to get just a little here. It's super yummy guys. Look at our sauteed blood clam or litog. Okay, is done. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. That's our sauteed blood clam is done. And it's super yummy. And now it's this. Okay, guys, I'll taste a little. It's yummy. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dBroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.